Okay, let's see, I'm washing the house. Done bleached this side. Standing back looking at it, you would never know that it was, if you can see, you never know it was this nasty. I don't know that you could see that. I can't see it on the phone. Okay, maybe you can see that. We'll do a spot here. All we got is half bleach, half water, mixed up in a bleach sprayer. If you don't get a bleach sprayer, it'll eat the seals out time you use it once or twice. This is how we having to wash houses because our chemical pickup quit working on our pressure washer. So let's go around. Let's see. Twist my end. There we go. Just go around and here we go. The whole house is like this. Can we see? Let's see what's happening there. Okay, I gotta pump it up again. There we go. Damn it. I don't know if you can see that. I'm turning the camera all kind of ways too, huh? Probably making it harder. But we just go around and soak the house down like this. You could do this at home. You don't even have to have a pressure washer. You could do this, take a hose pipe, rinse the Clorox back off. When you rinse it, make sure you rinse your windows, get real close up to them, because if you don't, leave the film on them. But this does wonders. And also, I'll be taking some mix of Mean Green and water, 5-gallon bucket, and I got a brush that you wash your car with, a soft bristle brush. I'll be dunking that in the Mean Green and water and scrubbing those gutters right before I rinse, and that'll take the rest of what don't come off with the bleach off of the gutters. And so we see here. We see now. See what happened here. Okay. And that's how you can wash your house if you don't own a pressure washer. Or if your chemical pickup quits working.